Just landed on how to wire up a on-off switch to a light, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that in this video. Just landed on how to wire up a LED light. I'm going to try to show you guys as simple as I can. I got this LED light which only had 4 wires sticking out of it, and I knew I could put a plug on it, and not only that, put an on and off switch on it. So that's what this video is, how to wire up an on-off switch onto a light, whether you have an LED light or not. Alright, so I had the 4 wires, and I knew that the black and the white were the positive and the negative. Okay, so I took a plug, see that plug? Right here, got a little plug. It doesn't matter which way you do it, it's not going to hurt it. Okay, so what you're going to do is, obviously if you connected the 2 wires to the plug, it would turn the light on. So that's what happened, is the light turned on, and I wanted to wire an on-off switch into it. So all I really did, guys, is hook up 2 wires on this little toggle switch I bought off eBay. I think I got like 10 of them for like $1 from China. Took about a month to come, but I did end up getting them. So got your on-off switch, and it doesn't matter which way you do it, unless you want the O to mean off and the straight line to be, or vice versa. Anyways, 2 wires to this on-off switch going to the plug, but in between the plug, which one do you wire up first? I'm trying to show you guys so I can explain this to you guys. Okay, so it doesn't matter. You would have 1 wire going, which is either positive or negative, going directly to one of the wires. And in between there, you got your on-off switch with the 2 wires, and you could follow these. You got your white and your red line. So the white one just going in between. Let me draw a diagram for you guys. With our diagram, I'm in the middle of making a video and I can't do it because all the wires are blocking it. This is going to be the best diagram for you guys. Here's your plug right here with the 2 wires coming out of it. Here's your on-off switch, and here's your light. So like I said, you're not going to mess this up. It doesn't matter which way the wires go. So you got 1 wire going to the on-off switch. You got the other side going to one of the LED, and the other wire from the LED going to the plug. So this is pretty much a kill. So if you think about this, if you guys don't understand it, for you beginners, remove the on-off switch and just wire those 2 to 2, this wire here and that wire there going to it. It will turn that light on. But you don't want to unplug your plug every time, so you're putting an on and off switch, which when you flick it, connects these together, and when you flick it off, separates them. That's all it's doing, is separating them. That's what an on and off switch is. So hopefully this video helps you out. Give me a thumbs up if it did. If you need something else, leave a comment, and hopefully I can get back to you guys as soon as possible. Give me that thumbs up, and thanks for watching.